In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make aloe vera oil for extreme hair growth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Never fear, Reggie's here, and I'm an aloe vera plant. Okay, not really. But what I am is the guy who's going to give you guys the answers to hair growth. And this works no matter what stage you in. So, what I'm about to cover is not rocket science. It's literally in the title. However, there is a secret to hair growth and length retention. Come follow along.
Alright, so boom. Step one of this video is to not follow along what I'm doing here on the screen right here, right now. Not just yet. Step one of this video is to buy yourself some raw aloe vera. Literally go outside, get in your car, drive, and buy yourself some raw aloe vera. You guys can get this from Publix, or Kroger's, or Walmart. Any place that you can cop this, go ahead, cop that first. Don't worry about what I'm doing on the screen until you do that first. Alright, so now boom. Get out your car, go into your kitchen, guys, grab you a nice big long knife, grab you a nice sturdy plate, and now you guys want to do is just cut your aloe vera plant up. Cut it into as many slices as you possibly need, depending on the amount of hair you have on your head. Cut it up. If you have a short amount of hair, small pieces. A lot of hair, big pieces. For this tutorial, guys, you can just solely use one aloe vera plant, but I had two on hand, so that's why I'm going to show you guys as many ways as possibly that I can use this plant to benefit you guys. So this is strictly for you. Alright guys, so now that I cut up my second aloe vera plant, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like. But the next step after this, we're not done cutting. We're going to go ahead and grab all these individual pieces. Yeah, I know it seems like a lot of work, but I promise it's going to be worth it. Just grab all the individual pieces, guys, and cut off the sides that are sharp. You want to cut off these sides that are sharp because you do not want them into your actual mixture at your end result. You do not want this at all. Congrats guys, you have just completed step one. So now what do you guys do? It's simple. Take your aloe vera plant shaving pieces and just throw them into the trash. You don't need them anymore. Alright, now that you guys are done cutting up your aloe vera plant, next step you want to do is take your aloe vera plant that you just recently cut up and place them into a cold pot of water to clean it off and rinse it. Now guys, it's actually time to clean the area that you just worked at. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Alright, cool. Now you guys, we're in the kitchen. So this next step, what you want to do is take the pieces of aloe vera that you just cut up and place them into a blender. If you don't have a blender, please go back to the car, drive to Walmart, buy a blender. The reason I'm doing this is because you guys want to blend it up and get a smoothie-like texture or consistency. Now you guys see olive oil on the screen. We're going to be using olive oil particularly. You can use whatever oil you solely choose, but I like to use olive oil because it really penetrates your hair shaft and just really preserves the moisture that you're going to put into your hair in this recipe. Now you guys want to take what you just blended to the stove. We're going to be boiling this aloe vera on medium heat. Everything that's inside of here is very, very beneficial, so you get every scoop out, guys. Don't leave nothing behind. Stir the aloe vera in the pot, guys. That is the last thing you have to do for this step while it's on the stove. Now that that's done boiling, guys, move the pot away from the eye because it's still hot, and you guys want to let your aloe vera oil cool down. Now once that's done boiling, grab yourself a container to store your oil. I chose to store mine for about 2 days, but if you don't want to wait that long, just allow the oil to cool down before moving along in the process. Do you guys see the residue that's at the bottom of that container? You don't want that in your aloe vera. The reason why I say you don't want that in your aloe vera because it's just going to not give you the pure oil that we're looking for. So what I'm going to do now is take a coffee filter and start to strain it. The reason you want to strain it is because, like I said before, we just want the pure oil. So give it time, put your aloe vera into the strainer, come back, take a break, it'll be done soon. Alright guys, so this was a simple way to pretty much make aloe vera oil. The last step you guys want to do, I grabbed a funnel. That was the easiest way for me to transport the aloe vera oil from this cup into this applicator bottle. Guys, I thank you for watching. This was a simple tutorial on how to make aloe vera oil. I have another video on my channel on how to use aloe vera 3 different ways. If you guys want to check that out, the video will be somewhere written on the screen. Remember, my name is Reggieuncut. I'm trying to get my video out to the masses. Thanks. Peace.